You open ChatGPT. You ask it to help you understand something you just read. It gives you a list, 6 bullet points, headers everywhere. You read it, close the tab. 2 days later, it's gone. That's not a memory problem. That's not a you problem. That's a setup problem. ChatGPT doesn't know who you are. It doesn't know how you think, what level you're at, or whether an analogy would help more than a definition. So it answers like it's talking to everyone. Because it is. Think of it like a chef who's never met you. You walk in, and they bring out the same meal they serve every table. It's not bad food. It's just not yours. But inside ChatGPT, there's a section most people scroll straight past. A place where you tell it exactly how you learn, what level you're at, how you like things explained. Once you do that, it stops talking to everyone and it starts talking to you. Let me show you what that actually looks like. Same question, word for word, before and after 5 minutes of setup. Watch this. I'm switching to temporary chat, so ChatGPT has little to no memory of me. Fresh as possible. You don't need to do this yourself. I'm just doing it so what you see on my screen looks as close to yours as possible. I'm going to ask it one simple question. I just read Chapter 1 of Atomic Habits. The surprising power of atomic habits. How do I make sure I actually remember it this time? Look at this. 6 steps. Bullet points inside each one. Headers everywhere. It's not wrong. It's just a lot. It feels like a textbook wrote it. Now here's the same question, word for word, after 5 minutes of setup, which I'll show you in a moment. Short, warm. Feels like a friend talking to me. And look at this analogy. See that analogy? Like planting a tiny seed. On day 1, it looks meaningless. Months later, it's a tree cracking the pavement. I never asked for that analogy, it just appeared. That's how it explains something complex to me, in a way I actually get. Now scroll to the very end. One quick check. If you had to explain Chapter 1 to a 10-year-old using only one sentence, what would you say? I never asked for that. It just appeared. Same question, same AI, 5 minutes of setup. Let me show you exactly how I did that. Click your profile icon at the bottom left, then click Personalization. Most people scroll past this entirely. Don't. At the top, base, style, and tone. Set it to friendly. 2 seconds. Now scroll down. You'll see Custom Instructions. This is where everything changes. I'm going to paste this in. Read that second line. End every response with one question to check I actually understood. You just saw that in action. Now scroll down to About You. I'll paste this in too. This is just telling ChatGPT how you learn. That's it. Scroll down one more time. Make sure both memory toggles are on. This means ChatGPT remembers you between chats. You won't have to explain yourself every single time. Hit save. Done. That's the whole setup. Now let's try something completely different. No book, no context. Just a real question. I only have 10 minutes a day to learn. How should I use it? First line. Already different. Not a tip, not a list header. Just one honest sentence that actually means something. It breaks the 10 minutes down. Not into theory, into what to actually do. Minute by minute. Look at this line. Your brain learns like cooking, not shopping. Reading information is like buying ingredients. Explaining it is like actually cooking the meal. That analogy appeared because of 2 lines I typed 5 minutes ago. And there at the very bottom, the check question. Did you see it? A question every time you said it once, it runs forever. I've pinned the exact custom instructions in the comments below. Just copy and paste. Takes 2 minutes. And if you want to go deeper, a full prompt system that tests you on anything you're learning. Articles, books, videos, anything, it's free. Link is in the description. That check question you just saw, that's just the beginning. See you in the next one.